Hello everyone, welcome back to Agriculture Insight. Did you know that the world produces around 880 million pounds of Belgian endive buds every year? But unlike most vegetables that thrive in sunlight, these delicate golden buds, which you may have never heard of, undergo a unique forcing process in completely dark room. This exceptional method gives them a silky texture, pale golden hue, and subtly sweet flavor, making them one of the most expensive vegetables in the world. From vast fields where chicory roots, the birthplace of these golden buds, are magnificently harvested by modern machines, to a mesmerizing journey where hidden underground treasures transform into world-renowned delicacies, shaped by patience, precision, and nature's hidden wonders. Join Agriculture Insight as we uncover the secrets of this extraordinary vegetable. Let's get started. Belgian endive is no ordinary vegetable. Due to its multi-stage cultivation process, it comes at a higher price. Grown from the root of a chicory plant, it requires complete darkness to develop its delicate golden buds. Otherwise, it would grow into a regular chicory plant. Most famously produced in Belgium, France, and the Netherlands, its journey begins in late spring or early summer, when chicory seeds are sown in carefully prepared fields. After 3 to 4 months, they develop into strong chicory roots, also known as chicory pens. By early autumn, these roots grow into lush green plants, transforming vast fields into a sea of greenery, a breathtaking sight as they prepare for the first steps of harvest. On large-scale chicory fields, advanced harvesting machines play a crucial role in efficiently collecting chicory roots while maintaining their quality. As the harvester moves through the field, a cutting mechanism at the front slices just below the roots, loosening them without causing damage. At the same time, rotating lifting arms gently pull the chicory roots from the soil, ensuring a smooth and uniform harvest. Once extracted, an integrated conveyor system transports the roots upward, where a preliminary cleaning system removes excess soil. High-speed air jets blow away dirt, while rotating brushes gently scrub the surface, preserving the shape and quality of the roots. Next, the cleaned roots are transferred into large collection bins attached to the harvester. These bins are specially designed to minimize impact, keeping the chicory in prime condition before being transported for further processing. But my friends, the journey of these golden endive buds is only halfway through. There's still more to uncover. After harvesting, chicory roots are transported by truck to the processing facility, where they undergo an automated sorting process to ensure they meet the required size standards before moving on to the next stage. At this point, roots harvested in September are immediately placed into the forcing process to grow endive buds, while those harvested in October and November are stored in cold storage to maintain their quality for extended periods. The wooden crates filled with chicory roots are placed in a specialized storage system where the temperature is kept at -1 degree Celsius, causing the water inside the roots to freeze completely. This process helps preserve the roots for several months until they are ready for use. For the September harvest, The roots are immediately transferred to a modern hydroponic growing system. Without needing to be replanted in soil, they are secured in honeycomb plastic trays, optimizing the growing process. After being carefully selected, the finest chicory roots are placed into a specialized dark room, where one of the most crucial and mysterious stages of the Belgian endive cultivation process unfolds. This space is meticulously designed to ensure complete darkness, with the temperature strictly maintained between 12 degrees and 16 degrees. Every detail is carefully controlled, from humidity levels to air circulation, creating a perfectly enclosed environment where not even the slightest ray of light can penetrate. Inside this room, instead of drawing nutrients from the soil as they would in nature, the chicory roots are directly supplied with nutrient-rich water through a modern hydroponic system. This mineral-rich water circulates continuously, maintaining freshness and providing a stable environment for optimal growth. After approximately 3 to 4 weeks, tiny sprouts begin to emerge from these simple roots, gradually taking on the characteristic pale golden hue as they develop into smooth, delicate endive buds. This is not just a cultivation process, it is an art form, demanding precision, patience, and a deep understanding of every stage of growth. Finally, my friends, this is the moment to truly harvest these exceptional Belgian endive buds. They are carefully collected by hand or with precision cutting machines to preserve their delicate structure. After harvesting, they go through an initial cleaning process to remove soil and root residues before moving on to sorting and packaging. The plastic trays used for harvesting are then cleaned by automated robots, ensuring they are free of any remaining soil or plant debris. These advanced cleaning systems use high-pressure water jets and air blowers to sanitize the trays efficiently, preparing them for the next growing cycle. Next, an automated sorting system evaluates the size, shape, and quality of each bud, selecting only the smooth, flawless ones for premium packaging. Any misshapen or slightly damaged buds are separated for other uses. The highest quality endive buds are then packed by skilled farmers into breathable crates or vacuum-sealed bags and stored at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 36 degrees Fahrenheit in a humidity-controlled environment, ensuring maximum freshness before reaching consumers. With this precise post-harvest process, Belgian endive retains its crisp texture and delicate flavor, making it one of the most refined and sought-after vegetables in the world. Belgian endive is a culinary treasure, deeply rooted in Belgian and French gastronomy since its discovery in the 1800s. Even its name has a fascinating story. Endive means the last to appear, referring to the unique forcing process that takes place in complete darkness, allowing the buds to develop their crisp texture, mild bitterness, and golden hue. In European cuisine, it is a key ingredient in hearty winter dishes like Endive's au jambon, where it is wrapped in ham, covered in bechamel sauce, and baked to perfection. It also shines in fresh salads, paired with nuts, fruits, and cheeses, or served as a crisp base for gourmet appetizers. Now, let's take a look at the traditional cultivation method, showcasing the wisdom and expertise of farmers. This time, chicory roots are planted directly into the soil or carefully covered with earth, combined with a subsurface irrigation system and proper shielding to maintain the ideal growing conditions. And my friends, get ready to discover another fascinating vegetable that I'm about to introduce to you right now. Without keeping you waiting, we're now here at a celery field in California, famously known as the celery capital of the United States. With its mild climate and fertile soil, California is the largest celery growing region in the country, meeting the huge demand for this vegetable worldwide. Typically, celery takes about 4 to 5 months to grow and reach its ideal size. Autumn, with its cool and pleasant weather, is the perfect season for harvesting this lush, crisp vegetable. To ensure high productivity and exceptional quality, farmers here rely on advanced machinery specifically designed for harvesting celery efficiently and carefully. Out in these vast fields, you'll see modern machines hard at work, efficiently harvesting celery. These machines are equipped with ultra-sharp horizontal blades that operate close to the ground, cutting the celery stalks neatly at the base without damaging the stems or leaves. The blades are highly precise and run smoothly, guided by advanced sensors to ensure that every row is harvested cleanly and uniformly. Right after cutting, the celery is gently lifted onto an integrated soft conveyor belt. This system carefully transports each stalk to a pre-cleaning area, where dirt and debris are removed using air blowers or rotating brushes. This process helps keep the celery fresh and clean right from the very first step of the harvesting journey. Next, the celery is neatly packed into large baskets. These baskets not only protect the celery from damage, keeping it fresh and intact, but also make it easier to transport to the processing facility. Once at the facility, the baskets are unloaded effortlessly and placed onto modern processing lines, ready for thorough cleaning, packaging, or further processing steps. Modern harvesting machines have made a significant impact on improving agricultural efficiency, especially in vast celery fields. These machines can process dozens of acres each day, saving both time and labor while reducing the heavy workload that used to require a large workforce. They are designed to operate quickly and precisely, ensuring that each stalk of celery is harvested uniformly without causing any damage to the produce. Using machinery also helps reduce long-term production costs, giving farmers a competitive edge in the market. Additionally, the advanced technologies integrated into these harvesting machines not only protect the crops but also help maintain high productivity, meeting the growing demands of consumers. This represents a major leap forward in modern agriculture, bringing benefits not only economically but also environmentally. While modern machinery leads the way in agricultural mechanization, some farmers still rely on traditional hand harvesting methods. However, the combination of manual labor with specialized support machinery has brought about remarkable improvements. This approach optimizes labor effort and speeds up the harvesting process while maintaining the flexibility and care that only human hands can provide. Modern machines are designed to support workers in the most efficient way possible. The upper part of the machine provides spacious areas for workers to sit or stand comfortably, reducing fatigue while moving across large fields. On either side of the machine are two long arms equipped with automatic conveyor belts, allowing workers to easily place celery onto the belts after cutting, streamlining the entire process. Once the celery stalks are neatly cut, they are moved onto a conveyor belt where integrated water sprays provide an initial cleaning, removing dirt and debris right on the spot. Afterward, workers package the celery directly into bags or bundle them together. These bundles are then placed into large baskets at the back of the machine, making it convenient for transport to processing stations or factories. Celery is a delicate vegetable that bruises easily and requires careful handling to maintain its appearance and freshness. This is where manual labor becomes indispensable. Workers are able to inspect each stalk individually, ensuring that only celery meeting quality standards is selected. Hand harvesting is especially valuable in smaller fields or for premium-grade celery, where attention to detail is critical for consumer satisfaction. Skilled workers can make adjustments that machines cannot, such as removing damaged leaves or carefully packing celery to prevent bruising during transport. Combining machinery with manual harvesting also provides flexibility. In areas where terrain or weather conditions might limit the effectiveness of machinery, human workers can step in to ensure the harvest is completed without delays. Additionally, this method supports sustainable farming practices by reducing waste, as workers can selectively harvest celery based on its readiness, rather than relying solely on machines that may harvest indiscriminately. The blend of machine precision and human oversight supports the broader goals of sustainable and high-quality agriculture, ensuring that celery harvesting continues to meet the demands of modern markets. Once the celery arrives at the factory, it undergoes a careful processing routine to ensure it meets the highest standards. First, the celery is unloaded and moved to the cleaning area, where high-pressure water jets remove any remaining dirt or impurities. Next, it is sorted and inspected, with damaged or substandard pieces removed. The celery is then trimmed and cut into appropriately sized portions based on its intended use. Finally, it is freshly packaged, ready for distribution and delivery to consumers. Modern machinery works closely with human oversight during the celery processing stages. Machines handle tasks like washing, trimming, and packaging with speed and precision, ensuring efficiency and consistency while keeping the celery fresh and crisp. Automated systems are capable of processing large quantities in a short time, significantly reducing manual labor. At the same time, human inspection plays a vital role in quality control, identifying and removing any damaged pieces that the machines might miss. This collaboration ensures that every stalk of celery meets the highest standards of quality and safety before reaching consumers. At the end of summer, farmers in California carefully prepare for the celery seed sowing process, ensuring the seedlings grow to the highest quality and are ready at just the right time for the season. But how exactly does this seedling process work? Follow us as we explore the fascinating journey of celery seedlings in modern nurseries. The celery seedling process in nurseries is carried out using fully automated machinery, ensuring precision and high efficiency. First, the seedling trays are placed on a preparation line, where they are thoroughly cleaned and carefully inspected. Next, an automated system fills each tray with loose, aerated soil, measured with exact precision to create the perfect environment for the seeds to grow and thrive. Once the soil trays are ready, an advanced seed sowing machine precisely places each tiny celery seed in its designated spot, ensuring the correct spacing and depth. Afterward, the trays are moved to an automated watering system, where evenly sprayed water keeps the soil moist, providing the ideal conditions for the seeds to germinate. This process runs continuously and efficiently, allowing thousands of trays to be handled daily with consistent quality. After about 30 to 40 days, the celery seedlings grow strong and healthy, reaching a height of 10 to 15 centimeters, making them ready to be transplanted into the fields. These seedlings mark the beginning of a bountiful harvest, laying the foundation for lush, green celery fields. Once the celery seedlings are nurtured in the nursery, the next step is to prepare the soil, the place where they will grow into vibrant celery plants. Specialized soil tilling machines loosen and aerate the topsoil, making it more porous and ideal for root growth. Afterward, machinery levels the ground and creates neat rows, ensuring the seedlings are planted in straight lines, making irrigation more efficient and the fields easier to manage. Once the soil is ready, modern transplanting machines get to work. Workers sit at designated stations on the machine, carefully lifting seedlings from their trays and placing them onto the machine's conveyor system. The conveyor then moves the seedlings to mechanical arms, which gently plant them into the soil with precise depth and spacing. Thanks to this smart design, the machine ensures that each seedling is planted in straight, evenly spaced rows, optimizing field space and creating the best conditions for celery growth. Throughout the growing process, the plants are provided with water and essential nutrients to ensure healthy development. Celeriac, or celery root, is a unique crop in the agricultural world, playing a vital role in providing nutritious and versatile food options for the market. Typically, celeriac is grown in regions with mild climates and fertile soil, where it thrives and delivers significant economic value. This root vegetable is highly favored in the culinary world for its distinctive flavor, making it a key ingredient in soups, salads, and ready-to-eat products. Beyond its role as a culinary ingredient, celeriac contributes to creating valuable byproducts. Its pulp, for instance, can be repurposed as livestock feed or organic fertilizer, supporting sustainable agricultural supply chains. With its long shelf life and rich nutritional profile, celeriac is not only an ideal choice for consumers, but also an indispensable part of modern agriculture. It plays a critical role in boosting local economies and meeting the ever-growing demands of the global market. Unlike other vegetables, harvesting celeriac requires a high level of precision and a well-thought-out plan. Typically, a celeriac takes about 120 to 200 days to reach optimal maturity, depending on the variety and climate conditions. The harvest season begins when the roots are fully developed, measuring around 10 to 15 centimeters in diameter and feeling firm to the touch. Recognizing these signs accurately allows farmers to harvest at the right time, ensuring the best quality for the produce. The remarkable advancements in technology have brought significant changes to agriculture, especially in how celeriac is harvested. In the past, farmers relied on manual labor and simple tools, which were time-consuming and labor-intensive. Today, specialized harvesting machines have become indispensable on large farms. These modern machines have been successfully adopted by advanced farms, saving time, increasing efficiency, and ensuring the quality of every celeriac root. The harvesting process with modern machinery begins with specialized machines equipped with large cutting blades designed to create furrows and gently lift celeriac roots from the soil. As the machine moves slowly along the rows, it carefully extracts the celeriac and transfers it onto a conveyor belt without damaging its delicate skin. This initial step is crucial to maintaining the root's integrity, ensuring that each celeriac meets the highest quality standards. Right on the harvester's conveyor belt, the celeriac roots undergo a preliminary cleaning process where dirt and debris are removed. At the same time, integrated cutting blades automatically trim away any remaining leaves and small roots. This process not only saves time, but also prepares the celeriac for the next stages of processing. Once the machine's storage compartment reaches its maximum capacity, the celeriac is transferred to large trucks using an integrated conveyor system. These trucks, waiting at the edge of the field, are ready to transport the freshly harvested celeriac to processing facilities. Thanks to this closed-loop conveyor system, the entire transfer process is efficient and seamless, ensuring that no celeriac is lost or damaged during transit. From a distance, the sight of large harvesting machines with rows of rotating blades at the front, moving rhythmically across the fields, is truly impressive. These machines not only symbolize technological advancement, but also showcase how innovation is transforming agriculture for greater efficiency. They significantly boost productivity, handling tens of tons each day, while ensuring that the produce is harvested quickly and remains fresh. Modern lifting systems and automatic cutting blades minimize damage to the roots, preserving their shape and quality for us, which helps reduce waste. Additionally, the use of machinery drastically lowers labor costs, especially on large-scale farms. Beyond efficiency, modern machinery also contributes to environmental protection by reducing emissions and preserving soil quality, supporting sustainable farming practices. With continuous advancements in technology, the future of celeriac harvesting is set to become even more efficient, better meeting global market demands while delivering greater benefits to both farmers and consumers alike. After being harvested from lush green fields, tons of celeriac roots are transported to processing facilities, where they begin their journey to become finished products for consumers. First, the celeriac is placed on automated conveyor belts and moved to large washing tanks. Here, advanced cleaning technology removes all dirt, soil, and any remaining debris from the surface. Once cleaned, the celeriac is sent to a sorting system. Modern sensors and equipment evaluate the size and shape of each root, ensuring they are categorized according to quality standards. Those meeting the required specifications proceed to the packaging stage, where they are neatly packed into sturdy mesh bags. These bags not only protect the product, but also provide convenience for consumers during shopping. Finally, the packaged celeriac is transported to supermarkets and retail stores, ensuring the product remains fresh and ready for customers. This efficient process guarantees that celeriac reaches consumers in its best possible condition, from farm to table. In some areas, celery leaves are harvested to supply fresh produce to supermarkets and retail stores. This process is primarily done by hand, but with the support of modern machinery to enhance efficiency and ensure optimal product quality. After being harvested, the celery leaves are carefully placed onto the conveyor belt of a support machine. This machine is equipped with moderate pressure water jets that clean the leaves directly in the field. Dirt and soil on the surface are quickly washed away, ensuring the leaves are fresh and clean while maintaining their vibrant green color. During this process, farmers stand along the conveyor belt to inspect and handle the bunches of celery leaves, making sure each batch meets quality standards. Once the cleaning is complete, the leaves are carefully packed into sturdy cardboard boxes to protect them during transport. These boxes are then ready to be distributed to markets, ensuring fresh, high-quality celery leaves reach consumers. To ensure a successful harvest, farmers begin with careful preparation well in advance. Celery is first grown as seedlings in greenhouses with a stable temperature of 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius and ideal humidity levels. The seeds are sown in trays filled with loose, nutrient-rich soil, and then provided with adequate natural light or LED lighting to promote even growth. Once the seedlings are nurtured in greenhouses and reach the appropriate size, they are transferred to the fields for planting. Automated or semi-automated planting machines are used to carry out this process with high precision. These machines carefully place each seedling into pre-prepared furrows without damaging the delicate young roots. With the support of advanced technology, the celery planting process becomes not only faster, but also more efficient, reducing the need for manual labor while ensuring uniform plant quality across the entire field. Kale, a member of the cabbage family, is a hardy vegetable with thick, curly or flat leaves. It comes in various varieties, including curly kale, dinosaur kale, also called lacinato kale, and Russian red kale. It's deep green, sometimes tinged with purple. Leaves are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, making it a favorite among health enthusiasts. Kale thrives in cooler climates, making it an excellent crop for regions in the northern United States. The vegetable is particularly hardy, capable of withstanding frost, which can even enhance its flavor by reducing bitterness and adding a touch of sweetness. Harvesting millions of pounds of kale across America is no small feat. The process has evolved over the years, ranging from manual labor to fully automated industrial machinery. Let's explore the three main methods used to harvest kale. On industrial scale farms, fully automated harvesting machines are the backbone of the operation. These sophisticated machines, often referred to as engineering marvels, have revolutionized the way kale is harvested. They can process vast fields of kale in a single day, making them indispensable for large-scale production. Equipped with advanced features such as rotating blades and conveyor systems, these machines efficiently cut the plants at the base, separate the leaves from the stems, and transfer the harvested leaves into large bins ready for transport. This streamlined process significantly reduces the time and labor required, enabling farms to meet the high demand for kale products like kale chips, frozen kale, and fresh-packed kale. The key advantage of these automated harvesters is their incredible efficiency. With the ability to cover dozens of acres daily, they dramatically increase productivity compared to manual or semi-automated methods. Advanced technologies such as GPS and precision sensors enhance their performance, allowing them to navigate fields accurately and harvest kale with minimal disruption to the surrounding crops. This technological edge ensures that farms can maximize their output, making it feasible to supply kale to a wide market at affordable prices. However, this method is not without its drawbacks. Unlike manual or semi-automated harvesting, which allows for a more selective approach, fully automated machines lack the ability to differentiate between high-quality and suboptimal leaves. As a result, there may be an increase in waste or the inclusion of leaves that do not meet premium standards. While this trade-off can impact quality control, the sheer scale of production often offsets these limitations, ensuring that there is an ample supply of kale for processing into various products. By enabling the production of kale on such a massive scale, these machines play a crucial role in ensuring that kale products remain accessible to consumers across the country. On larger farms, semi-automated methods are used to balance efficiency and quality. Machines designed to cut the stems of kale plants roll through the fields, slicing the stalks cleanly. Afterward, workers follow behind, gathering the severed plants and feeding them into machines that strip the leaves from the stems. Semi-automated harvesting bridges the gap between manual precision and industrial-scale efficiency. Workers still play a crucial role in this method, ensuring that plants are properly fed into the machines and that no damaged or substandard leaves make it into the bins. This method speeds up the harvesting process while still requiring human oversight to ensure quality control. Farmers can process larger quantities of kale without compromising too much on leaf condition. In smaller farms or fields that prioritize quality, kale is often harvested by hand. Workers move row by row, carefully cutting the leaves near the stem base with sharp knives. This method allows for selective harvesting, where only the mature and undamaged leaves are picked. Farmers gently place the kale into crates or baskets, ensuring that the leaves remain intact and unbruised. Hand harvesting is an ancient practice that ensures the utmost care and precision. Farmers often work in teams, starting early in the morning to avoid the heat of the day, which could wilt the leaves. The tactile nature of hand harvesting also allows workers to assess the texture and maturity of each leaf, ensuring only the best kale is selected. While this method is labor-intensive and time-consuming, it's ideal for high-quality produce sold at farmers markets or specialized grocery stores. Additionally, hand harvesting reduces waste since workers can assess each leaf's condition before cutting. Once harvested, kale's journey doesn't end. It moves to processing facilities where it's transformed into various products to meet the demands of kale lovers across the country. Here's how the magic happens. The first step in any kale processing facility is cleaning. Massive washing systems rinse away dirt, pesticides, and debris from the leaves. Workers or automated systems then sort the kale, removing any damaged or discolored leaves. This step ensures that only the freshest and most appealing kale makes it to the next stage. Cleaning systems often use multi-stage washing techniques, including water jets and gentle agitation, to ensure thorough cleanliness without damaging the delicate leaves. In some facilities, optical scanners are employed to detect imperfections, ensuring a consistent quality standard. The discarded leaves, often unsuitable for human consumption, are repurposed as animal feed or compost, contributing to sustainable practices. For consumers who love kale in its simplest form, fresh packed kale is the go-to product. After cleaning and sorting, the leaves are dried using gentle air blowers. They're then weighed and packed into plastic bags or containers, often with a small vent to keep the kale fresh. These packages are sealed, labeled, and shipped to grocery stores, ready for salads, smoothies, or sautéing. Kale chips have become a favorite snack for health-conscious individuals. To make them, the leaves are destemmed and coated with seasoning mixtures, often including olive oil, nutritional yeast, or spices. These seasoned leaves are then baked or dehydrated in industrial ovens at low temperatures to maintain their nutritional value while achieving a crispy texture. Once cooled, the chips are packed into airtight bags to preserve freshness and crunch. The production of kale chips involves precise temperature control to achieve the perfect balance between crispiness and flavor retention. Chopped kale has become a go-to choice for those seeking convenience and healthy meal options. The process begins with the removal of tough stems, leaving only the tender leaves. These leaves are then shredded into bite-sized pieces using advanced machines designed to minimize bruising. This careful handling ensures that the kale retains its vibrant green color and fresh, crisp texture. Once chopped, the kale is washed thoroughly to remove any remaining impurities, followed by a gentle drying process to maintain its quality. The final product is packaged in resealable bags, making it incredibly versatile and easy to use in quick salads, stir-fries, or soups. Some factories take convenience a step further by blending chopped kale with other greens like spinach or arugula, creating ready-made salad mixes that cater to diverse tastes and dietary needs. Quality checks are an integral part of the process, ensuring consistent weight and portion sizes in every bag. In addition, some facilities use innovative techniques such as pre-washing the kale with edible coatings. These coatings help extend freshness while preserving the natural taste and appearance of the greens. With its meticulous processing and thoughtful packaging, chopped kale offers a high-quality, hassle-free ingredient that fits perfectly into modern lifestyles. Kale's popularity isn't just a passing trend. It plays a significant role in promoting healthier eating habits and supporting sustainable agriculture. Its ability to grow in various climates and resist pests makes it a resilient crop that requires fewer chemical interventions compared to other vegetables. Additionally, the diverse range of products made from kale caters to a wide audience, from snack lovers to home cooks. The journey of kale, from its humble beginnings in the field to becoming a snackable chip or a fresh salad ingredient, is a testament to modern farming and processing innovations. Whether harvested by hand, with semi-automated machines, or by industrial harvesters, kale's path to our tables is a story of hard work, technology, and a love for healthy living. So the next time you toss kale into your smoothie or crunch on a kale chip, take a moment to appreciate the effort that went into bringing this superfood to your plate. Let's not keep you waiting. We are now at a Brussels sprouts field in California, the leading region for Brussels sprouts production in the United States. With its cool coastal climate and fertile soil, this area provides the perfect environment to grow these small, nutrient-packed vegetables. Typically, Brussels sprouts take about 80 to 100 days to grow from planting to harvest. Fall and early winter, when the temperatures are crisp and cool, are the ideal times for harvesting. This cooler weather allows the sprouts to thrive, giving them a crunchy texture and their best flavor. To ensure top quality and high yields, farmers here use advanced and specialized machinery. These machines are designed specifically to harvest Brussels sprouts quickly and efficiently, making the entire process smoother and more productive. So how do these modern machines work to harvest Brussels sprouts? Out in the vast fields, specialized harvesting machines slowly move along the rows of Brussels sprouts, performing their tasks with remarkable precision. Equipped with sharp cutting blades, these machines cut the stalks cleanly at the base in an instant as they pass by, preserving the freshness of the plants and minimizing any damage. Farmers sitting on the machines skillfully lift each stalk and place it into the built-in stripping system. Here, the tiny Brussels sprouts are separated from the stalks using rotating drums or stripping blades. Once detached, the sprouts are quickly transported along conveyor belts inside the machine to storage bins, ready for the next steps in their journey. One of the standout features of these machines is their advanced built-in sensors, which can sort Brussels sprouts during the harvesting process. As the sprouts move along the conveyor belt, the sensor system scans each one to identify any that don't meet quality standards, such as those that are damaged or too small. These imperfect sprouts are automatically removed through a separate sorting mechanism, ensuring that only fresh, high-quality sprouts are stored in the bins. Meanwhile, the leftover stalks and leaves are returned directly to the field, acting as a natural fertilizer. This not only enriches the soil, but also helps maintain its fertility for the next planting season. Semi-automated harvesters significantly reduce the time and labor required compared to traditional hand harvesting methods. A single machine, operated by a small team, can process acres of Brussels sprouts in a day, making it an ideal solution for large-scale farming operations. At the same time, it allows for greater flexibility and adaptability in the field. For example, workers can adjust the machine settings to suit varying stalk sizes or to harvest selectively based on ripeness. Another advantage is sustainability. By combining the power of machines with human precision, semi-automated harvesting reduces waste and minimizes the environmental impact of farming. The efficiency of the process means less energy consumption and fewer resources used per harvested sprout. Moreover, the ability to selectively harvest ensures that only mature sprouts are collected, leaving smaller ones to continue growing. The semi-automated harvesting of Brussels sprouts represents a perfect marriage of technology and human expertise. This approach not only enhances productivity, but also ensures the delivery of fresh, high-quality sprouts to consumers. But technology doesn't stop there. It's taken things a step further with fully automated machines that significantly reduce the need for human labor. These machines are similar in design to the previous harvesters, but come equipped with intelligent robotic arms and advanced sensor systems. After the sharp cutting blades neatly sever the Brussels sprout stalks at the base, the robotic arms, with incredible precision, swiftly grab each stalk and gently place it into the stripping system. The sensors are programmed to identify and handle each stalk with care, ensuring no sprouts are missed or damaged during the process. This level of automation not only increases efficiency, but also ensures the highest quality for every harvested Brussels sprout. The use of modern machinery in harvesting Brussels sprouts doesn't just boost efficiency. It plays a vital role in enhancing the overall value of agriculture. These advanced machines not only increase productivity, but also ensure consistent quality for every Brussels sprout. With integrated sensors and automatic sorting capabilities, the harvesting process becomes faster and more precise, eliminating substandard produce right from the start. This approach reduces the cost of manual labor and saves time in subsequent processing stages. Additionally, returning the leftover stalks and leaves to the fields helps enrich the soil, promoting sustainability for future crops. The seamless combination of technology and nature is the key to building a well-rounded and sustainable future for agriculture. The application of technology doesn't stop in the fields. it continues to play a crucial role in processing Brussels sprouts at the factory. After being harvested, the sprouts are loaded into large bins on trucks and transported to a modern processing facility. Once they arrive, the process begins as the bins are emptied into a large holding tank. From there, the Brussels sprouts are moved onto the first conveyor belt, which carries them to the sorting area. At this stage, larger debris such as stalks, leaves, or leftover plant material is removed using mesh screens and automatic vibrating mechanisms. Once sorted, the Brussels sprouts are sent to the washing area, where they are cleaned with high-pressure water jets. This process thoroughly removes dirt and any remaining soil from the surface, ensuring the Brussels sprouts are perfectly clean and ready for the next steps. Next, the standard-sized Brussels sprouts move to the sorting area, where they travel on a specially designed conveyor belt with gaps between its slats. When sprouts reach the appropriate size, they automatically drop onto a secondary conveyor belt, thanks to this clever design. The sprouts that drop onto the secondary belt are then taken to the manual inspection area. Here, workers perform a final check for color and freshness. This crucial step ensures that only the highest quality Brussels sprouts are selected for the next stages of processing. After going through thorough sorting and inspection, the Brussels sprouts are sent to the trimming area. Here, automated blades swiftly remove any wilted leaves or unnecessary stem parts, giving each sprout a clean, polished look and perfect shape. Finally, the Brussels sprouts move to the packaging area. At this stage, automated machines portion them into bags or boxes with precise weights, ready for storage or transportation. This process not only ensures consistency and quality, but also optimizes time and efficiency, delivering a flawless product to consumers. As you can see, every vast field starts with tiny seeds, and Brussels sprouts are no exception. With the help of modern technology, the seedling process has become a fascinating step, where these small seeds are carefully nurtured to prepare for their journey toward lush green growth. First, seed trays are prepared in advance and placed into a system that fills each compartment with nutrient-rich soil. This soil is meticulously processed to remove impurities, ensuring the ideal foundation for the seeds to thrive. Next, the Brussels sprout seeds go through an automatic sorting process to ensure they are uniform in size and quality before being precisely sown into individual compartments of soil-filled trays by a seeding machine. These trays are then neatly arranged on moving racks and transported to the nursery care area. After 4 to 6 weeks, once the seedlings have grown strong and healthy, they are ready to be transplanted into the vast fields of California. At the start of summer, specialized plowing machines get to work, efficiently breaking up the soil to create a loose, nutrient-rich layer. This process not only removes weeds and leftover debris, but also improves soil aeration, creating the perfect environment for Brussels sprouts to thrive. Once the soil is perfectly prepared, modern planting machines take over the job. These machines are specially designed to maximize efficiency, helping farmers plant seedlings quickly and accurately. Each young plant is gently lifted from its seed tray and placed into pre-made holes in the soil, spaced evenly to provide the ideal room for growth. At the same time, the machine's automated system carefully fills the soil back around the base of the plants, securing them firmly and protecting the delicate roots from environmental factors. After planting, the Brussels sprouts fields are watered regularly to maintain the right level of moisture for healthy growth. Throughout the growing process, farmers closely monitor the plants, providing essential nutrients as needed to ensure they grow strong and healthy. The use of specialized machinery plays a key role, not only reducing the labor required, but also increasing precision and efficiency in every step of the care process. And there you have it, a complete overview of how American farmers harvest and process thousands of tons of Brussels sprouts each year. This journey showcases the perfect blend of modern technology and the dedication and skill of hardworking people. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories about the world of agriculture. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.